The US Trump administration is currently under discussions to take a stake of about 10% in Intel Corporation by converting grants made under the US CHIPS and Science Act into equity. Now, this potential investment has given Intel a nice boost last week. You can see that price gapped open higher, about 5.29%. And this move could see the US become the beleaguered chip maker's largest shareholder potentially. So the thing to look for here is this nice seasonal pattern. Typically, stocks have a weak period in August and September, but Intel tends to have a stronger end of August, early September, leading into late November, early December. You can see it's got a 73% winning trade percentage, an average return of nearly 10%. And you can see the maximum gains have been over 20% on a number of different occasions. So does this give a nice dip buying opportunity into Intel? Now, if we just zoom out from the intraday charts and start looking at charts on the weekly, it'd be interesting just to see you've got this very nice sort of trend line that's just been broken. That could mean it's not a bad place to define stops. You could have a entry just on a retest of that broken potential trend line here. You can see that, you can put it a few different places here. You could have your stops just running underneath this sort of big lows. It's almost like a sort of basing rectangle area, but definitely a trend line break on the weekly chart, and that could be looking for potential gains, and stops could be trailed on the weekly chart heading into the end of the year. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it. Sign up here to Seasonax where you can get literally thousands more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. All outlooks have risks. Remember, this is no exception. And the risk here is that Intel Corporation finds some negative news, the administration support doesn't help the company, or maybe there's an interest rate change out of the US. There's some of the major expectations and worries to look for as we head into the end of the year.